Just wanted to make a quick tutorial video on how to get the code to your Explorer, your Expedition, whatever it may be, 2020 plus. So you're going to start with the car off. You're going to need two keys for this. Take your key. You're going to face the keypad forward. Stick it in the cubby hole. It's right there where you can stick your keys at, facing forward. Once you do that, you're going to turn this on. And then once you turn it on, you're going to go ahead and turn it off. Take out the key quickly, grab your second one, put it in there facing forward. Once you do that, you're going to push that again to turn it on. And when you do that, it's going to show the code right there on the screen. Jot it down, and that's how to get the factory code. I personally just went with the factory code as far as being able to get into the vehicle, but if you want to change it, there's other videos out there to where you can actually get in there and change it. I believe it's going to involve this screen right here. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.